About this game for years. Do you remember that night?
U.S. sports folklore. What are you talking about?
Yeah, exactly.
It's a blizzard. USA versus Costa Rica. They decided to keep playing. Blizzard. USA's winning 1-0.
Good work from Josie Altidore.
Yep. Drum the channels. He's worked very hard.
It's a little thing, but in a game like this, chase down every ball.
I don't remember ever playing a game in snow.
I didn't.
That's crazy.
Glitter.
I'd like to see somebody do a slide tackle. They could probably slide halfway across the field.
Normally a left back, left-sided player, but part of that five-man defense. So maybe.
What are you saying, Courtney? They need some glitter to go with the snow?
No, she said that's glitter.
20-year-old. She came on
A white glitter.
Made a bit of a difference. Elegant, but whether we can do it on this, we shall see.
Well, he came in, mind you, that second half against Panama.
Lovely ball that from Barrantes to Saborio, who got a decent effort in.
Oh.
Looked an impossible angle.
Good.